A powerful hurricane that formed in the Pacific Ocean this week weakened on Saturday and is expected to continue to lose strength before coming close to Hawaii, forecasters said. The storm, Hurricane Calvin, had maximum sustained wind speeds of 100 miles per hour on Saturday morning, forecasters said, making it a Category 2 storm. It dropped from a Category 3 on Friday night. The storm is moving west-northwest at 16 meters p.h. toward Hawaii and is expected to move in that same direction over the next several days, the National Hurricane Center and the Central Pacific Hurricane Center said. The storm is forecast to weaken through early next week. There were no coastal watches or warnings in effect as of Saturday. Calvin is expected to weaken over the weekend as it moves over colder waters and less hospitable atmospheric conditions. Though it is on track toward Hawaii, it is likely to be downgraded to a tropical depression by the time it reaches the state in the middle of next week.